case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Lloyd Dixon Jr., corporate executive turned convicted felon, took center stage in a court case that curved through the winding aspects of the Securities Exchange Act. The stakes elevated as the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit questioned not only the strict details of Dixon's actions, but also contemplated the essence of his intentions. The central point of contention originated from Dixon's mishandling of written proxy statements during his tenure as president of the AVM Corporation. Dixon was accused of skirting vital information required in the reports filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, an act considered a violation of Section 14A of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934. Dixon sought to defend himself, claiming a misunderstanding of the fairly complex rules surrounding proxy solicitations. The Court of Appeals subsequently upheld his conviction for violating the Securities Exchange Act and for conspiracy, noting that the prosecution successfully proved Dixon willingly committed the prohibited actions. However, the court became ensnared in the more challenging deliberation over whether Dixon's actions could be classified as mail fraud. This came as a result of his usage of mail to receive the incomplete proxy statements, leading to charges of 3 counts of mail fraud against Dixon. The court eventually dismissed these charges, citing that there was no evidence of a breach of fiduciary duty or a violation of the mail fraud statute. The absence of specific intent required for the counts of mail fraud led the court to question their inclusion in the case, suggesting a lack of adherence to Department of Justice guidelines. In the wake of these rulings, the court left a sliver of hope for Dixon. He was given the chance to apply for a sentence reduction under FRCAR P35, presented with a narrow 120-day time frame after the receipt of the court's mandate. While Dixon's future remained uncertain, one thing became unequivocally clear. The lines drawn by the Securities Exchange Act, however complicated, are not to be crossed lightly.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.